A refinery had already worked with IGS to improve throughput in their platforming heaters. After we applied Cetek ceramic coating, they saw a 14% efficiency gain. Later, they faced a new issue, declining furnace efficiency caused by fouling in the convection section. Stack temps were higher than they should have been, and they couldn't wait for the next turnaround. They brought IGS back in. We reviewed their data, studied the furnace layout, and planned access points for safe online defouling. Using our Hot-tek service, we cleaned around 40% of the convection tubes over 8 shifts without shutting the unit down. The results? A 66 degrees Fahrenheit drop in stack temp and a 1.75% efficiency increase. Thanks to this success, they've planned more defouling projects and aim to hit their design efficiency target of 91.82%.